Good morning and welcome dear students in online English video class. Today we are going to solve exercises A to E of chapter number 8, that is adjective. The chapter adjective is already described in one of my videos and the link of the videos will be given in this description box. You please visit the site once and try to get the chapter well. So without waste of time, let us begin the class with exercise A. Exercise A. Read each of the sentences given below and say whether the statement for each one is true or false. Okay. So, number 1. Whose doorbell did you ring by mistake? Here, whose is an interrogative pronoun. Okay. So, they are asking about interrogative pronoun. Okay. You can see that. Okay, so whose doorbell did you ring by mistake? Children, you can see that the word whose is interrogative adjective. It is not talking about interrogative pronoun because just after it there is a noun, that is doorbell. That is why here the answer of question number 1 is false. Clear? Number 2. My favorite color is black. What is yours? Then here, what is an interrogative adjective? Okay, so here the question says that this word is used as an interrogative adjective. No, it is not used an interrogative adjective because see that there is not any noun just after, place before or after it, so it's a false. Number 3. which book do you which book did you want to borrow from the library? Here, which is an interrogative adjective. Yes, you can see that this which and then just after there is a noun. Okay, so that is why the answer of question number 3 is true. Clear? Now number 4. What remark did he make that got you so angry? Here, what is an interrogative pronoun? Yes, it is absolutely false because what after this remark, that is not used as a interrogative pronoun. Clear? Now number 5. Whose is that bag lying in the corner? Here, whose is an interrogative pronoun. It is true because the word whose is used as an interrogative pronoun. There is no noun after and before the word whose. Clear? Number 6. What is the menu for today? Here, what is an interrogative adjective? No, it is not absolutely interrogative adjective. It is used as an interrogative pronoun. Clear? Number 7. Which is the purse you wanted? The grey or the black? Here, which is an interrogative pronoun? Yes, it is used as an interrogative pronoun. Clear? Number 8. Whose story should I believe? His or yours? Here, whose is an interrogative pronoun? No, because there is a story after the word whose is placed, so it is an interrogative adjective. Answer is false. Number 9. What size shoe do you wear? Here, what is an interrogative adjective? Yes. Number 10. To whom should I give this book? Here, whom is an interrogative adjective. No, here whom is used as an interrogative pronoun. Clear? Now exercise number B. Use the nouns in the box below to make sentences of your own in which the noun functions as an adjective. So there are some words like stone, train, horse, leather, electricity, cloth, pearls, steel, butter and water. So you have to take these words and then after you have to make your own sentences. This homework I am not going to solve you here. It is very easy. Students can use your own idea for making their different sentences. Now let us go to exercise C. So exercise C, rewrite these sentences given below by correcting the order of the adjective. Okay, so first I will write all the sentences, then after I will show you the answer. Number 1. There was nothing interesting about that uneven, pale, ugly landscape. Okay, that you have to somewhere rewrite these sentences. So I'll show you that what is the answer of this. So the answer of this will be this, that there was nothing interesting about that uneven, ugly, pale landscape. Clear? Number 2. Number 2 is his method produced golden round perfect pearls of crystal. Okay, so the correct order of the sentence will be this, that his method produced perfect round gold pearls of crystal. Clear? Now let us go on question number 3. Question number 3 is, I have given my brown old leather Italian jacket to my brother. Okay, now let's arrange and see the answer of this will be, I have given my old brown Italian leather jacket to my brother. Clear? Now let us talk on point number 5. She is creating a clay slender tall image to decorate her house. Okay, so here it will be in correct order, that she is creating a tall slender clay image to decorate her house. Clear? Now number 6. Number 6 says, she looked elegant and tall in her black new dress. Okay, so answer 6 will be, she looked tall and elegant in her new black dress. Clear? Now let's go on 7th. Here the 7th says that people who knew Napoleon realized that behind his stocky and short appearance there exists a sharp and precise mind. Okay, let us see what will be the order. So here it says, people who knew Napoleon realized that behind his short and stocky appearance there existed a sharp and precise mind. So now let us talk on 8. There were well formed, beautiful, a dozen yellow roses in the bouquet. Okay, so answer will be, there were a dozen beautiful, well formed yellow roses in the bouquet. Now let us talk on 9. 9 says, I found him to be a well behaved, soft spoken, yet well educated man. Okay, 9th correct order will be, I found him to be a soft spoken, well behaved, yet well educated man. Okay, now the last is, let me check in the book, just wait. Yeah, the lacy wedding beautiful dress suited her perfectly. Okay, the lacy wedding beautiful dress suited her perfectly. See, the correct order will be, the beautiful lacy wedding dress suited her perfectly. There is, so these are the answer of exercise number C. Now let us go on exercise D. Fill in the blanks in the sentences by choosing appropriate adjectives from the given in the box. Okay, so there are the words that is given in the box. With the help of these box you have to fill the answers. Clear? So the first says, this room has been decorated by daughter. Okay, so what is the first answer? The first answer will be my daughter. Okay, decorated by my daughter. Clear? Here is given my, so you have to take from here. Just let me take another color. I will choose black. Clear? Okay, now the word my is given. Then after second, child received a small gift. Okay, so here you have to just wait, where you have to fill, so you have to fill in the beginning of the sentences. Okay, so answer will be that every child. Okay, EVERY. Clear? See that every is given here. Okay, so every child received a small gift. Okay, now number 3. He slipped on the dash floor. Okay, he slipped on the dash floor. So here the answer will be he slipped on the polished floor. Okay, polished, POLISHED, polished floor. Clear? Now let us talk on 4. So the 4 will be I have made friends with the boy. Okay, I have made friends with the, here will be dash. Okay, let me check in 5. The dash will be after use. Okay, then in 6 the dash will be after like. In 7 the dash will be in the beginning of the sentence. In 8 dash again will be in the beginning. Then in 9th the dash will be after D. Okay, here. So now it is over. Now we were on 5. Okay, I strictly do not use dash bag, so answer will be plastic. Okay, I strictly do not use plastic bag. Clear? Number 6, I'd like. Okay, I'd like dash tea please. Okay, so here the answer will be I'd like, see the word some is given. No, I'd like some tea please. Clear? Now number 7. So here number 7 will be dash movie you are planning to watch. So answer will be which. Clear? Answer will be which movie. Okay, this is 7 answer. Now number 8, dash men are extremely ill mannered. Okay, so here answer of 8 will be those, THOSE, those. This is the answer 8. Clear? Now let us talk on 9. He took the horse for a drink. So answer 9 will be, what is the answer? That will be tired. Okay, TIRED. Okay, this is a 9 answer. He took the tired horse for a drink. Number 10, the laughing children. Okay, LAUGHING. So that is the answer 10. The laughing children in the park raised my spirit. Okay, so this answer is completed. Now let us talk on the last exercise, that is exercise E. Fill in the blanks with the type of adjective mentioned in the bracket. Okay, so here it says every teacher praised the dash student. So here you have to fill with any qualitative adjective. So any qualitative will be the smartest. Okay, so you can write that every teacher praised the smartest student. Number 2, it gives me pleasure to welcome you all. Quantitative here you have to fill, so you can write a great pleasure. Clear? Number 3, the cat kept on licking her paw. Here again you have to fill with qualitative, so you have to you can fill that the cat kept on licking her injured paw. Number 4, dash files have been lying here for weeks. So these files, demonstrative you have to fill these files. Number 5, story was the best in the competition. Interrogative you have to fill, so you will write which story was the best in the competition. Number 6, they are erecting a dash wall round the park. Noun you have to fill, so that will be erecting a stone wall. Okay, stone wall. Then number 7, the boatman clearly saw the storm braving, BREWING, braving. Okay, braving storm. Number 8, threw away these bananas. Again you have to fill, So answer will be threw away these rotten bananas. Clear? Number 9. I somehow managed to enter the bus. Okay. Answer will be I somehow managed to enter the crowded bus. And number 10. The thieves had forced open the barred window. Okay. So if you just want to match the answer, here are the answer of exercise E. Okay, exercise E answer is here, then after exercise D answers are given here, and then answers of C. So in this way we have completed all our exercise of this chapter. In the next class we will be doing for the next chapter. Till that time, thank you so much and have a nice day.